Okay, guys, I'm recording. This is BRC20. We're going to create our own ordinals, right? The coin. So you guys send me your wallet in TikTok DMs, and we're going through. So this is our transaction. We just received this. It's it's $20 fee. So let's go to the point. So to create a BRC20, you just need to go here. 1 second, reset. So this is inscriber. We need to create taproot. We need to put our taproot where we will send the money, right? I just put it, and we just say what we want to inscribe in the blockchain. Like what do we want to put there? We can put any information, right? Like blockchain is uh, decentralized data storage, right? So we can put anything. You can put your name, you can put your image, like an NFT, or you can put anything, like whole music file, whatever. So, what is BRC20? It's BRC20 is something that the token that has the data, like its name, ticker, supply, and stuff, right? So let's put some ticker. So ticker, what do we call the ticker? Let's say, so this is block hacks, right? Let's say, what will be the ticker? Maybe block hack. Okay, it's just four symbols. Okay, maybe um TT. Wait, TikTok maybe? No. YouTube test. Okay, let's say shark. Shark. Okay, I can't do shark. Let's do ShiRKey then. ShiRKey. For example, shark coin. And the supply, let's say it will be 4962 uh thousand. Okay, 4962,000. 4962,000. Okay. Easy to remember. 49, 60, 42, 62. Wait, 42, 69,000. Okay, 42, 69. Limit per mint. How much one person can mint is, let's say, just let's say 42, 6.9. Can we do this? No, let's just put 42. Okay, for example, 42. Let's say fee rate. How much I want to pay? The minimum, the maximum. Okay. So yeah, like depends how generous are you, right? Like if you want to pay higher fee, you want to pass everybody in the competition in the mempool. So let's say we just put this and let's just say submit, okay? Let's say submit. After you send, okay, don't try to bypass the limit by opening multiple tabs. Okay, let's go. So guys, the risk is this is the fork of the BRC20. So use at your own risk, right? Your funds might be lost, who knows? So now we have to send this amount of Satoshi here. Let's see actually. We'll go to the address, we'll go to the miner fee. Okay, nice. Okay, this is so we go here, we go to 1 second. Maybe you should guys screenshot this, maybe report, okay, we see this, right? So let's send 425. Oh no, this is too much. How much is this in Satoshi? Let's convert this. Um, Sats to BTC. Okay, Satoshi converter, right? This is Satoshi converter. So, okay, I agree. So we got to wait. No, BTC. Bro, what the hell is this? Bitcoin? No, bro, come on, bro. I don't want to do this manually. Let's do some. Um, bro, come on. Like, how much you want BTC to like? Maybe this one here. Okay, I think. Okay, four. So we have to send this much of. We have to send this much BTC, right? The rest is the fee. And this. Okay. What the hell is this? Roach 4.8. Okay. Just want double check. So let's do this then. Let me check. So okay, let's send now. I think it will take long again. $1.22. Okay, 1.22. 43. I'm sending 44, so it should be enough, right? Okay, let's try this. So let me send this. Let me send this. Let me unlock this. Are you sure? The address. So let me copy this. I put here again. Okay, it's nice. So I confirm. Okay, guys, we're done. Let's check now if our transaction is here. So let's view the transaction. Mempool space. Yeah, it's not appear yet. So this tab, let's just close this. We don't need this. This tab, let's also close. Let's also maybe in case. Okay, so here we're sending. So it's unconfirmed yet, right? And here, yeah, we just incoming. So Ordinals wallet, right? So let's see if it's appearing here in descriptions. So it just now in 10 minutes. Okay, so it's gonna be in 10 minutes. What's the fee? Inscription. Okay, we're here, right? Ordinals transaction after TX confirmation. So yeah, we're here. Okay, after confirmation. Okay, let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Let's wait sometime. So yeah, it's recognized already, guys. We just minted our token, kind of. We just deployed. I mean, overpaid. Whoa, I just overpaid, guys. What the hell? I'm getting robbed, guys. Report to the police. Just kidding. Yeah, so it's zero confirmation. Okay, one confirmation, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. View collections. Let me just go to my wallet. So I just paid something. My inscriptions are loading. My wallet history is loading. BRC20 is loading. Everything is loading. Okay, let's go to here now. Bro, come on. We are approved already. We have already one. No, not confirmed. Whoa. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Effective fee. Um, effective fee. Let's see. We're waiting, waiting, waiting. Meanwhile, just tap the like, guys. Let's make this viral. Missed live stream. I mean, not viral. Just at least some people, more people. Okay. So it should be already two confirmations, right? But here, I'm not sure why it's not showing. Why is showing unconfirmed? Oh, okay. So yeah, basically our transaction is here, but our token is being deployed. So it's just two confirmations now. Right. This is crazy. Yeah, this is crazy. Let me check my wallet again. So wallet history. Okay, so uh, it's really crazy that we're still receiving, but yet we sent the transaction already. Right? This is crazy. Oh no, it's different one. I'm not sure who's sending this, but okay. BRC20, my inscriptions. Okay, so it's not selling yet, so it's not showing yet. Let's see, guys. We just need here confirmation, so we just deployed our token. Bro, we're just stuck here. So this guy, he's submitting a block with 4,000 transactions, and the fee is how much? Whoa, whoa, bro! I think it's gonna take long, cause guys, see, so you see, guys, here. I'm not sure. Let me draw on my screen. Actually, I'm gonna zoom a bit. Okay, here. So, guys, if you see here, I'm going to draw now. So it says here we have. Okay, let me choose another color. Maybe this one. So here it says they paid. You see, guys, they paid 150 Satoshi per bytes, which is a lot. They want to be fast. and we paid. I mean, not we, but Ordinals paid 21 Satoshi to deploy our token, which is yeah, which is not a lot. I think it will take a month, maybe a day, who knows, a week. So yeah, it's saying ETA here. Let me just let me just see here. So it says several hours, guys. Yeah. So um, yeah, but you guys at least know how to do it, right? And why you should do it, why you shouldn't. Maybe you'll make some money, maybe not. Depends, right? So yeah, at least you know, guys, that you need at least $20 to pay the fee, and then something like $1, $2 to mint the token. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. I'm gonna stop the recording, guys.